Hi, I'm Rajeshwari and I lead marketing for Beyond Snack, and I have about 18 years of experience in marketing, in building brands and building categories and generally driving growth of business. First is genuine interest in passing forward what I've learned in my journey of about 18, 19 years in this industry, right? I love mentoring, I love teaching. And I know Suchit, and I met him in a social gathering, and then we realized that he's building something where practical knowledge is as important a part of the curriculum as theory is. And I immediately jumped in. I think it took me like 3 seconds to tell him that, you know what, I'd really love to be part of the journey, and that's why I am here at Crucible. I want to see this be possible, and that's what has gotten me here. It's such a good vibe here. It's open, it's bright, there's natural light flowing, and I'm a big proponent of natural light inside a classroom. So I really love what you're getting. It's in Bombay. I saw the infrastructure around the classrooms, and these are all important, right? Because when you have the right environment, you learn very well. I'm also excited about, the different technique that this institution is building around. Learning is more hands-on. Learning is going out in the market and getting your learnings. So I'm really excited about that and being a part of that journey. So here I think I'm going to at least this year focus on courses that are fundamentally grounded in consumers. Because whether it be any business, knowing your consumer is your first step. If you know your consumers, you will be able to find enough pivots to grow your business. So I'm going to focusing on courses which is around consumer behavior, product design, packaging design. So these are some of the courses that I am looking forward to teach here. And I'm going to try something different. Yes, there will be theory and there will be a lot of frameworks, etc. discussed, but I'm going to probably bring in the practical business life scenarios, case studies, workshops that may make this course slightly more interesting and hands-on for the students. For example, when I really have to do a course on shopper behavior, I would really love the students to step into these shopper shows, go shop around the stores of Bombay, or look at your Zepto and Blinkits and the Qcoms of the world and see how they are shopping. What is the pattern of shopping in those platforms? How is a consumer really approaching these platforms? So yes, there is a shopper behavior and there are frameworks and theories, but I would want them to experience them first on how are they shopping? What are the other consumers doing? So this could be a great example of how the course will be approached or will fundamentally be set here.